Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've opened your presentation, so start by checking the animations pane. This is where the sequence lives. You want clear start options. On click verses after previous verses with previous, they control timing and flow. Once done, preview the slideshow to confirm durations and triggers behave as expected. Make small adjustments to delays and 0. 5 to 2 second durations where needed so transitions feel natural. Save a working copy now, because the next steps will package the animations for playback. Now record the precise pacing. Use rehearsed timings to capture when each animation and slide advance should occur. This creates recorded timings tied to the animations, so playback is identical on another computer. After recording, run slideshow mode from the beginning to confirm everything: clicks, automatic advances, and triggered animations. If something feels off, adjust durations in the animations pane, re-record that slide's timing, and preview again. Make sure to save after a successful full run. To preserve interactive animations, choose File Save As and pick PowerPoint Show, PPSX. This opens directly in slideshow with animations and timings intact. If you need a self-contained video, export to MP4. Animations are baked, but interactivity and triggers are lost. Before sharing, embed fonts and media via File Options. Save and test the PPSX on the target machine. If animations stutter, update PowerPoint or reinstall media codecs. That single troubleshooting
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.